this video, we're going to drive one lap around the island of Isla Mujeres. We had come to Playa Tortugas in Cancun to take the ferry over to the island. Hello! We are here now at Playa Tortugas in Cancun, and we are gonna take the boat to Isla Mujeres. It's raining actually today. Maybe we'll get some sunshine today, hopefully. It was raining really bad, but now we're finally here and we're gonna get on the boat and go to Isla Mujeres. The weather had been great in Cancun lately, but a quick rainstorm had passed by, which is not unusual for this time of the year in Mexico. We got on the ferry and had paid 250 pesos each, which is about $11 for one way. Today we were on our way to the famous island Isla Mujeres, located in the north part of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and about 1 mile northeast from the town of Cancun, which is around 16 kilometers. We came into the boat harbor and were excited for some adventures. The island is 7 kilometers long and around 400 meters wide, which is about 4 miles long and a quarter of a mile wide. It's surrounded by the Caribbean Sea and has a lot of green areas, but also a lot of houses. There are about 12,000 people living on the island. We were walking into the island and saw some military police with M16s, and we also had to go through a disinfection portal. Hello. The rain had stopped and we were about to head up to the very north part of the island and the beach called Playa Norte. We came to the beach side here of Isla Mujeres, and the weather is starting to look a bit better actually. Hopefully we can get some sunshine so we can go also snorkeling later on. The sun came out and it's starting to look really promising actually for the rest of the day. So we are gonna try to head further up north here in Playa Norte. We started out here in the very north part of the island at Playa Norte, and this is the most famous beach here on the island. Playa Norte. Here we have some super clean water. Really nice. Playa Norte is where most boat trips take tourists to from the mainland of Mexico, because the beach is so nice and the water so clean. We decided that we are gonna rent a golf cart so we can go around the island. We had paid 700 pesos for the golf cart, which is around $32. We could use the golf cart for one full day. We wanted to drive one lap around the island and explore it on our own. The roads were good, but there was also quite a bit of traffic coming. We've been going for about 10-15 minutes, but we still haven't made it pretty far. The island is actually pretty big. Hopefully we will make it out so we can see the beach here in a little bit. Besides from Playa Norte, there are not many other beaches along the way. We went further down south and had almost made it all the way down to the very south part of the island. We just arrived here to Punta Sur in the very south part of the island. Really nice, and here you have an archaeological site, and you can do some snorkeling also.
What is it called again?
Punta Sur.
Punta Sur.
It had taken us around 20 minutes to drive across the island, and we had made it to a really incredible location with an amazing color of the water. We were getting ready for some snorkeling, but had to first walk down the steep rock formations along the island. Little walk next to the to the water. Really nice. We're gonna jump in and see if we can swim around and find something.
Wait, where's my camera?
Are you ready for some snorkeling?
Yeah, I think so.
It was like a big swimming pool with one of the most clear waters I had seen since I've been in Mexico. It was a great feeling, swimming in the clean water and enjoying the water temperature that never goes below 78 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius at any part of the year. A lot of areas around Isla Mujeres also have a lot of coral reefs, but today we had come to this area mostly to see the many starfish at the bottom of the ocean. We swam away further and truly enjoyed the seemingly untouched area of the island. We came back from snorkeling. Now it's time to go back to the golf cart and continue the drive around the island. Where do we go now?
Food, to find food.
Food.
Lobster pizza.
Food! There were almost no people on the island, and we were heading back up again to start the journey back up the other side of the island. That's neutral. Now we're on the way again, up back towards the north part of the island. The island seemed really modern, and we also passed by some really expensive houses on the way up. The east part of the island also seemed to have a bit more cliff formations. The drive along this side of the island was a bit more interesting, since it was going right next to the sea. We could also see some more houses and a graveyard as we were cruising in the golf cart along this scenic road. landscape seemed so untouched, with the white beaches, green bushes and blue water. We were coming closer into town again and had heard about a lobster pizza that we wanted to eat. Who is this girl? Should we pick her up?
Hold on.
Now we need to find some lunch. But what are we gonna eat? That's the question. Now it's time for some lobster pizza. Lobster on the pizza. Very nice. We got the pizza. Very nice. Lobster pizza. And some other type of pizza. A full lobster pizza would cost 400 pesos, which is about 18 US dollars.
Super flavorful. The crust is really, really good. There's basil on it. The lobster is cooked really, really nicely.
We had the lobster pizza. Now we are heading out again. Whoa. Now we're heading out after eating the lobster pizza. It was really nice. Or actually, I didn't eat much of it, but it was cool actually that they have lobster pizza here. Really nice. I think they catch it by themselves, probably by the coast. We returned the golf cart and now we are back here on the beach. Really nice day. Really, really nice day. We're gonna have a little running competition now. We had such a nice time on the island, but it was time to get on the boat and head back to Cancun again. Oh no. We are back. We are back in Cancun. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.